Hello, my name is David Trimberger, and this is attempt number 3 at needle cricothyrotomy peer-to-peer. First thing that I want to do is gather up all my materials, such as proper PPE, a large bore over the needle catheter. So today I'll be using a 14 gauge, as well as it being connected to a 10 millimeter syringe. I want to make sure that I have proper cleaning solution, oxygen tubing, a BVM connected to capnography, a ET tube adapter, bulky dressing, and tape. So for the sake of this skill, it says that I would need to connect my patient to a ventilator. Today I'm going to be using a BVM. If I were to be using a ventilator, I would want to allow for 1 second for inhalation, 2 seconds for exhalation, and then monitor my patient for any change in patient condition while we would be en route to the hospital. So first thing that I would want to do is gather up all of my materials. I'll be using a BVM today, not a ventilator. Okay. So I will put on proper PPE. I'm going to lay my patient down, hyperextend the neck, going to go through my whole intubation process, go through all my intubation steps, see if I can be able to intubate my patient. If I can't, then I'm going to do my next step, which will be a needle cricothyrotomy. So what I will do is I will come down, ventilate my patient with basic BLS measures, such as using my BVM. Once I have done that, I will come over and I will palpate the cricothyroid membrane. Once I find it, then I will go ahead and I will clean my area. After I've cleaned my area, I will re-inspect. Take my needle, gonna go at a 45-degree angle, pull the skin taut, 1, 2, 3, insert my needle. After I have done that, I will aspirate to see if I get bubbles. Once I get bubbles, it helps to see that I have it's a way of being able to determine proper placement. Once I have done that, I will remove my needle and my syringe and put them in the sharps container. I will also go ahead, connect my BVM to capnography as well as oxygen, come over and begin to start ventilating my patient at a rate of 10 to 12 times a minute, monitoring for any signs of hypoxia, barotrauma, emphysema, any other kind of out of the normal signs. I'm going to auscultate over both the lungs to make sure that I am hearing air movement. Once I have done confirmation, I will come over and stabilize my needle. Once I've stabilized my needle, I will go back and I will continue to ventilate my patient for a rate of 10 to 12 times a minute, monitoring for any signs of hypoxia. I will evaluate their SpO2 as well as their ETCOH, and then monitor my patient for any change in patient condition en route to the hospital. Thank you.